Thanks for tuning in, you guys. It's Yasmin. I'm going to give you a little tour today of this beautiful home. Now, when you first walk in, you can see it's white everywhere on the walls, and the floors are beautiful refinished hardwood. Now, this is the living room and the dining room area, and here you can go into the kitchen. Now, the kitchen needs a stove and a refrigerator, of course stainless steel, but when they're finished, it will be in the kitchen. And this is the kitchen pantry off to my left. This is the first bedroom, and this window is so low right here because this was a garage and it's converted into a room, so that's why the windows are so low. And it has a full bathroom inside of this bedroom here. Now, this bathroom is beautiful, custom tile on the walls and even on the floor. Look how sparkly and glamorous that is. Now, I'm just looking under the cabinets just to see how much space we have to work with. And when I look up on the chandelier, what caught my eye is the beautiful detail of the rhinestones on the light fixture. Now, I'm going back out and I'm going over to the back door, but when I go to the left, I can see kind of another area maybe for storage, and then we have our laundry room. Of course, we have our connections. We don't have the full appliances yet. And I go into the backyard, I look and I just see how beautiful it is. It is big, you guys. Like, another home can actually fit back here if you choose to build one. So these counters are beautiful. They are the quartz countertops on the back wall, the backsplash. It is custom throughout the kitchen too. I love how they did the white with the blue/gray with the hardwood floors. It's beautiful. This is our second bedroom. This house has 4. And you just go, it's a regular sized bedroom with a sliding door. Perfect if you guys have children or anyone. You can fit a nice queen size bed in there. And this is our first full bathroom on this side of the house. We only have one, so beautiful. Again, tile on the floor and on the walls. And we're going to go into our third bedroom. Now, this bedroom is about big as the first with the full bath. And this bedroom is just beautiful with the gray blue walls. And this one has a half bath in here, so perfect for someone who wants their own privacy. And this is the closet in this bedroom here. Nice. And this, you go out to the right, this is the 4th bedroom, or it can be an office, whichever you prefer. And I say this is a perfect starter home because it is very remodeled and very new. This house was built in 1956, but all the remodels were in 2019. It is beautiful and perfect. Even has a 30-year warranty on the new roof, and it has centralized air coming in this house. So it is beautiful, perfect, not too much maintenance, whatever you need. Nice home for you. Now, I'm just going to show you the outside of the house. Tell me how cute this is. Super cute. Thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I have videos here every week. Bye-bye.